Hi friends, welcome back to our channel. Thank you so much for stopping by. So this video is going to be a little bit different. It's going to be a kitchen slash pantry restock, reorganization, that type of deal. So I actually have not been grocery shopping yet, but I'm planning on it. And we actually need to stock up on quite a few things because we've been doing a lot of shelf cooking. And before I do all that shopping, I have got to reorganize my pantry because it's not working. When we moved into this house at the end of June of 2020, we put things where we thought they would work for us, and then as we've just kind of adapted and gotten settled, it's like it is so not working anymore. So I'm going to rearrange some of my cabinets and just kind of put things that are in the pantry into the cabinets, and then just kind of redo my pantry and reorganize my pantry because it's not it. This is not the way. So I'm going to show you my pantry. Now mind you, it's not super bad. It's just I'm tired of bending over to pick up my measuring cups because they're sitting in a basket on the floor. And yeah, I just can't do it anymore. So before I continue rambling, if you would like to see us reorganize our pantry and our kitchen, then please keep watching. All right, y'all, this is my pantry, and as you can see, it's not bad. It's just a little unorganized. And Luna, I don't know how to work my camera, y'all. The struggle, because as I move, my camera moves. It's weird. And Luna is just making herself right at home in the pantry. Do y'all see this? See the stuff on the floor? And there's Luna. Yeah. She loves to run in there anytime she gets a chance. So we are going to just start by pulling everything out, and I'm probably gonna repack some of these things, relabel them, because it's just too much, y'all. It's too much, and I just can't. So yeah, so as you can see, my pantry's small, and yeah, we need to work on that. So that's what we're gonna do. So stick around. Alright, friends, so here's everything on the island. There's Shay, and yeah, it's just bless Jesus. We're gonna just start going through everything and seeing what's gonna fit where. And yeah, probably go ahead and start on those cabinets too. And just try to get things organized. And so right here, I've got some dishes drying that I hand washed a little while ago. So if you're interested, this dish drying mat actually came from Bed Bath & Beyond, if you're interested. But yeah, so here's another shot. There's my sink. Hey. Yes, that is a shot glass. A Carolina shot glass at that. Yeah, do not judge us. So yes, here's another view. Here's another angle. Yeah. So we got a lot going on. The struggle. It is indeed real. But that's all right. We're going to get through it. Yeah. So Shay is just going to consolidate like the oils and the spices. Right now she's working with the lovely olive oil that just kind of spilled all over the place. So yeah, this is what we're gonna do to just kind of create some extra space. And yeah, this is the last of the olive oil too, but I don't think it's all gonna fit in the bottle, which is fine. So yeah, so that's what she's doing. Hi everyone. So I'm back at you. So I decided to kind of take my camera and just do this by hand because you can't see much of anything. So this is a cabinet space that I have. That's just one of them that I'm going to rearrange because I need to my storage containers just are not in, I don't know, I don't want them here, but I don't know where I'm going to put them. I do know that the meal prep containers I'm going to put right here. And see, this right here I have bought when we first moved, and these were in the fridge, but now I don't have any room for them. And it's just, there's a lot going on. I mean, look at this. I've got all this space and I'm like, I don't know what I'm about to do with it. And I can't really reach any of it because I'm only 5'4". So yeah. And just so you get an idea of where this is in my kitchen, it's right next to my refrigerator, okay? So, yeah, that's it. And Shay can walk over because Shay is almost 6'2", and so for scale, she's like the only one just about that can reach up there, yeah. So, you know, I have this counter space, but oh, yes, guys, that's the pizza from our last grocery haul. We're having this pizza tonight, and if I fill up to it, I'm going to be making brownies too. So I've got this counter space. There's my juicer, you know, my compost bin, my books, you know, all this stuff. And I'm like, where am I going to put it? So here's another cabinet here that, you know, I've got some space. I bought this thinking, oh yeah, my plates will fit in there just great. So that I'm actually taking out. And this cabinet over here is where my plates and things are. But I'm just like, do I want to keep them here? And see, these cabinets are so tall and I am so short. Those are the extras, y'all. Yes, that is a Starbucks mug. There's actually 2 up there. Oh, excuse me, Shay corrected me. There are 3 up there. But if you see what I'm saying, I've got all this room and I just don't know. You know, when we first moved into this house, I was like, yeah, I could put this here and this here. And it's just not working for me anymore. So we are going to see exactly what we can do with all this. All right, friends, here's the final look. So we've got plenty of room now for the grocery haul and restock tomorrow. So as you can see, the spaghetti container's empty because I'm planning to put spaghetti in it. But yeah, so it is clean, it is organized. Yes, there's like, no food products on the floor. There's just the husband's little drinks down there, and then there's Luna's cat food, and yeah, so we are very happy with how it turned out. I cannot complain. It no longer looks like a train wreck. It is, yeah, I'm very happy. So yeah, now I'm gonna show you those cabinets. All right, so you remember the cabinet over the microwave, so I'm gonna show you how it looks now. Ooh, yeah, look at, ooh, praise the Lord. So Shay had the brilliant idea to use this, thing that I bought to hold plates, to hold the lids to the storage containers. So, genius. Of course, she gets it from me. Yeah, if she had, I would have thought of it. So yeah, and then here are the lunch containers, and in the back is my big lunch box and thermos. So yeah, I'm very happy with how this looks. It's now, organized and not looking crazy. So I'm gonna close that, and I'm gonna show you the other one that was on the bottom. I was telling you I needed somewhere to put my lovely measuring cups and stuff, so they are now down here, and I don't have to walk all the way to the pantry to get them. Yay! And as you can see, the pizza pan is missing. That's because we used it because we had pizza for dinner. So yes, guys, I hope you enjoyed this video. I know it was a little crazy and a little all over the place because we really had no idea what we wanted to do, right, Jay? Yeah, it was a whole lot going on. Not only that, Luna was running through the kitchen the whole time, so you probably heard what sounded like a little horse. That was Luna. So now I am going to finish cleaning up dinner dishes and then get ready for the lovely grocery haul and restock tomorrow. Yay. But if you did like this video, guys, please give it a thumbs up. Also, consider subscribing, become a part of the Bradley family, join the Bradley bunch. We'd love to have you. And then, of course, you can always follow us on social media. We are at Trippin' Bradleys on Instagram, Twitter, and Snapchat. And so, guys, we will see you in our grocery haul video. Till then, y'all be safe and bye. Hi friends, welcome back to our channel. Thank you so much for stopping by. And I'm not even looking at the camera. Luna, get out of the bathroom. Back in June 2020, we moved into our new house and we unpacked and put, things where we thought they would work. So we are, ow, Luna. Y'all, anybody want a cat? We're gonna try this intro again. Really? do all that. Really? I'm recording.
Oh, is it still recording?
Yes, that's why I'm taking stuff out of the pantry.
Sorry. You can edit that.